Guys, ito talaga yung face mask na pwede kong mai-recommend sa inyo. This is not our ordinary face mask. Kasi yung face mask na to is mayroon siyang UPF 50+. Ibig sabihin, our skin is protected against sunlight. Yung maganda pa dito is, tingnan nyo, breathable na siya. May mga butas. Tapos, hanggang dito, yung coverage niya. Manipis lang yung tela, nakakadagdag pa ng forma. So what are you waiting for? Ito yung face mask na gamitin mo kasi washable. Ibig sabihin, pwede lang natin siyang hugasan, ipatuyuin, at goods na. Pwede na ulit natin gamitin. So if you are looking for a face mask na talagang hindi kalugi, use this face mask sa pang-araw-araw, lalo na kung lagi kang nasa labas. Ilalagay ko yung link for you to get the same product as mine. Napaka-goods oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Di ba angas? Get this now. Use that best. Mahigit 12 milyong Pilipino ang gutom. Ilang dekadang problema na tila wala pa rin solusyon. Sa pagdaan ng panahon, silang mga gutom na lang ang humanap ng solusyon. Diskarteng mahirap man sikmurain, pero kailangang gawin. Ako po si Kara Kara at ito po ang I. Thank you. Magandang gabi. Charot lamang po, I just really want to share this product from Dragon Finds. This is a new Korean bag. Sobrang nagulat ako nung makita ko at ma-receive ko yung product na to. Kasi look at this product. Talagang as in, promise, you will be shocked kasi napakaganda ng tahi. Knitted na siya at talagang napakatibay niya. Look, ito yung large capacity niya sa loob. Tapos, tingnan mo yung mga tahi niya. Bawat sides. Ayan. Ayan o. Napakalinis. Guys, I just want to share this lang kasi I'm working right now. Tapos, itong headset talaga na to is ginagamit ko lang to pag lumalabas ako, nagmu-music. Ito lang talaga ginagamit ko. Sinubukan ko siya ngayon sa work ko. So, if you can see, ayan, nagwo-work ako. And then, surprisingly, I'll attach the, kasi na-reach ko yung voicemail ng customer. Nag-iwan lang ako ng voicemail. Pakinggan nyo yung voicemail na iniwan ko. Ang linis niya, may electric fan pa akong ginagamit at dapat maingay. Pero ang clear, kasi mayroon na tong mic, built-in mic, tapos mayroon na din tong noise cancellation. I'm really shocked, as in talaga, grabe. Goods talaga to. Ang gamit na gamit mo to sa work, lalo na pag naka-work from home ka. Subukan mo din to, promise.
Has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Borong World. I just want to let you know that